It's not a starry sky, my baby.
Okay, so good morning, guys. So today is basically we have a Sunday, and मुझे पता है like after paper Sunday is like a reset thing, and I also want to do that. Today is 29 March. I don't know कि this video will get upload when. Voice is also is like I have a cold, that's why. So ignore that. So today is a Sunday, and today we're gonna do a very amazing thing. So just wait and watch. And if you don't know me, so I am Arsan and I am a second year MBBS student, and I am also craving for my medical degree. So please let's get started for the whole day vlog. And अभी मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं quickly freshen up हो जाऊँ. Okay, so basically today I'm having cold, so मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खाऊंगी मेस में, बस have a tea. So let's quickly get a tea breakfast. Still, I'm not in the mood to study today because it's a recent vlog. But we can't do anything. We have to study because we are in MBBS. First of all, let's quickly make the to-do list and let's see what to do today and what to do tomorrow and what to do, what to do, what to do. So, first of all, let's make a quick to-do list. Okay, so quickly let me tell you what all I have to do today. First, I have to read micro ka chapter because I have exams upcoming. Then I take classes of like MBA students. Another person is there who is preparing for NEET UG, and I have to send them the question paper today for a mock test. So I will send that. Then I have a mandir visit at 5:30. I told you that today we are going somewhere. So I have written my pretty whole much of to-do list. So let's quickly ran down and फटाफट से बैठते हैं to study for micro. So finally, I've completed two chapters in just 1 hour, and I am glad to know that I have completed. Even also, I have done with the all the MCQs. So we have two chapters at bacterial lobar pneumonia and one more chapter in this micro, that is bacterial pharyngitis. So I've completed two chapters. Now I will take a quick freshen up bath. Okay, so basically मैंने बात कर लिया है. So now we're gonna do a quick skincare. So I have already taken a bath. Now let's quickly apply this moisturizer. I don't know why I'm applying moisturizer in summer, just because I'm a hostel person and I don't have lotion. Let's apply this moisturizer. This is basically a choco butter moisturizer, and I love choco butter smell. I don't know why, but I love. So now I'm applying this sunscreen. I don't know how many of you have seen. I'm not getting it sponsored, but मैं इतना सही sunscreen लगा सकती हूँ क्योंकि of course मेरे पास budget नहीं है. Can make you look healthy. So generally मैं लिप पे कुछ अप्लाई नहीं करती. I just have Vaseline का छोटा सा डब्बा जो I apply a lot. आफ्टर लंच एंड नहाने के बाद आई एम फीलिंग वेरी वेरी टायर्ड, और अब नहीं लगता मुझसे कुछ होने वाला है. ऑलरेडी मेरी तबीयत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब भी है बिकॉज इट्स अ संडे एंड इट्स अ रीसेट डे. तो आज ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे कल से क्योंकि पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है. गुड नाइट गाइज. So finally, I guess मैं ज़्यादा सो रही हूँ मुझे लग रहा है because अभी 4:52 हो रहे हैं and I have to go to मंदिर. So I'll quickly get up and have my shoes on. Then I'll go out and let's make you see the outer scene. So okay, let's. So guys, we are finally back and we have finished our Sunday reset today and अभी तक मैंने अपना मेकअप इसलिए नहीं उतारा, so I thought कि मैं वीडियो शूट करके ख़त्म ही कर लेती हूँ and then I'll remove everything and then I'll go for sleep. So I went to a good temple over there which is a Geeta Mandir and it's very famous in Faridabad, and also then I went to Gurudwara and it was such a peaceful and nice day. I have a Kada Prasad over there. I love Kada Prasad. Who is a Punjabi or who is a non-Punjabi who visit Gurudwara can relate to it. So this is for all. Thank you so much for loving and watching this video towards the end, and I just want to share you one more thing. Do hit a like and subscribe and share button for yourself and for myself also, and do support me in upcoming videos. I'm gonna make you see how struggle life I am having and I'm currently going on because I am an MBBS student. So thank you for all and everything. If you want to give me any comments to improve my skill or just want to judge me, you can freely do that. And thank you so much. Love you again. Bye bye and do subscribe.